Oh my god, that's going to be so much to clean up. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. My name is Rory and hope you're all having a great day. So today is officially day 1 of 30 days where I'm attempting to draw Kwawe, I think that's how you say it, the Kwawe style of art. So as the month progresses, I'm going to be attempting to draw harder and harder drawings, but for today we're going to be starting off with this skeleton cowboy. So a nice simple one, and yeah, let's see how it goes. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, we have finished with the pencil sketch. So now all we've got to do now is go over it with a 0.8mm fine liner, and yeah, let's see how this turns out. Okay, so we have finished the fine lining sketch. All we've got to do now is put some colour on it. But I've got a special trick for this. All I've got to do is put the camera down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And boom, there we go. This is the finished product. I mean, yeah, I know it's not the best. It's not very straight around there, but for the first day, I'm not too ashamed of that. I think that went quite well. So there it is, guys. That's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. this was the final product. Hopefully by day 30, my plan is to be creating full page sketches of this type of art. So if you did enjoy, remember to like and subscribe, and yeah, till next time, goodbye.
It's alright. Hush.